अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का कहना है कि वो ईरान के हवाले से आइंदा 2 हफ्तों में फैसला करेंगे। उनका तफसीली बयान तर्जुमान व्हाइट हाउस ने प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में पढ़कर सुनाया, जिसके बाद सहाफ़ियों के सवालों का जवाब देते हुए तर्जुमान कैरोलाइन ने वाज़ेह किया कि सदर ट्रंप आलमी मसाइल के हल के लिए सिफारतकारी पर यकीन रखते हैं, लेकिन ताकत के इस्तेमाल से नहीं हिचकिचाते।
On the fact that there's a substantial chance of negotiations that may or may not take place with Iran in the near future, he will make that decision within the next 2 weeks.
What makes him think there's still a substantial chance, is my question.
I'm not going to get into the reasoning and the rationale. The president believes that, but that's his position, and he will make a decision within the next 2 weeks. The president is always interested in a diplomatic solution to the problems and the global conflicts in this world. Again, he is a peacemaker in chief. He is the peace through strength president, and so if there's a chance for diplomacy, the president's always going to grab it, but he's not afraid to use strength as well, I will add. Francesca.
Thanks, Caroline. What exactly would a deal with Iran need to entail?
No enrichment of a uranium, and it would absolutely not, Iran is not absolutely not able to achieve a nuclear weapon. The president has been very clear about that.